And now, this is our gift and family. The Madam are very beautiful and very lovely. Oh, this very jolly person, and this is no other than Shara. Attorney Janina Marcelo. Assistant Vice Manager of Finance, Mr. Ara Uso. Mr. Angelo Manado, who does care for our guest for today has experienced one of the greatest problems. One way out. Let's listen to this story. After knowing the story, let's now hear how they take all of this. And this is the last part. After I'm going to just wait.
Paulo.
Hello people. The story of mine is the most heartbreaking story for my entire life. During my high school days, I met this girlfriend at first, but then we fell in love with each other. As our relationship became more deeper, we were a couple for 10 years. I could say that we had a strong relationship. But for until the last year, and I felt that it must change. The feeling is she doesn't want to be with me anymore. And I asked her then, she answered me with honesty. She told me that she's in love with another guy, and she wanted to break up with me.
After you find it? I didn't find it. I am so sorry. You live in my house. I live in... Sorry.
To share my story, in my experience, after I've been scheduled, I have lost my house, my wife, and even my job. That's everything. But then I met Milo. Milo is one of my friends. Very courageous, but and then I feel like I'm revived, and now I'm here standing in front of you. Being here again is great feeling. Doctors all here. You know what the things are either. A lot of times, planning the work, break up with the by a partner, there were breaks. Face